How to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat. So if you want to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat, then first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application. Now make sure to log into your account, and after logging in you can go to your profile, which is on the upper left corner, and now you can scroll down and here you will have my friends option. You can simply tap on my friends, and then here I don't have any best friends, but if you have any best friends then you will have your best friends list here. And if you want to remove a person from your best friend list, then unfortunately Snapchat don't have that option. What you have to do is you have to simply unfriend that person, and after that you can simply search for their username, and after searching you can add that person again. So that's the only way to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.